Hello everyone, I'll show you how to model this sideboard in 3D Max. First, I will draw a box and I will make the size 65, 140 by 45. For the width segment, I need here 4 panels. So I'll give it 4 in width. Now I need to go to modifier list, add edit poly, and I need to select all the sides because they are connected together. Now I will go to edit geometry, detach. Now they became a new element, a new object. I will only change color so it will be easier to observe. And I will add here a shell modifier. And I will make the outer amount 2. And then I will go and use straighten corner. Just make sure that you have straighten corner. Now I need to work on this panel. So I will go back to this box, and I will select these polygons over here. And I will detach a copy as a clone. Now I have this small gap between the sideboard and the panel. I will keep it at the back, and the front panel I will lower here the vertex 3 cm. I will move them downward in the z-axis -3. Now I will hide it for a bit, this one, hide selection, and I need to give a shell modifier for back panel and front panel, and I will make this inner amount 0.1. And then I will select these polygons over here, and I will move them backward because the panels is a recessed type. So I will, the backboard, which is this one, that will cover the handle side, I will move it backward -2 cm in the y-axis. Now I will unhide all, and I will select these polygons, and I will isolate them. Now here I will make first the gap between these panels. I will select these edges, and I will give it a chamfer open. Use the amount 0.2. So, and I will click on open. So I have now a true gap between the panels. The chamfered area which is 2.2, disappeared. Now I will click OK, and now I will start with these details over here. I need first to select these edges, and I will connect. Go to edit edges, connect. I will give it here 3 edges, so I have 4 polygons. And now I need to insert these polygons inward. I will use Y polygon, make the amount 1.5. So now I need to select all these polygons and delete them. So I will click X, and I will type here similar. I will only delete the lower part, and then I will move all these edges, okay, downward. Like this. Now I have still I have everything flat, but I need to curve the top part. So first I will select one polygon from here, and I will press X in the keyboard and then type similar. Now I will extrude backward. So now I have these edges. I need to shift my selection from polygon mode to edge mode. I will press shift and click on the edge mode. Now I have all the edges selected. I need to use here this window selection, and I will deselect the top and the bottom edges. I will use here Alt to remove these edges like this. So now I need to use chamfer. I will increase now the distance, but I don't want to overlap the edges. This is the only point I have to consider. I will use 2 segments to give it a smoother curve, and I will press OK. Now I need to select these polygons over here at the top to curve them, and here at the bottom I need to delete this end cap. So I will select this polygon over here, and then I will click X, right, similar. Now all of them are being selected, and as well the top polygons. So I will use again Alt to deselect these top polygons, and now I will press delete like this. So here in the picture it is open from the bottom, and from the top it is curved. So now I need to select this polygon and I will press X and write similar. Now I will shift the selection to edge mode using shift. Now I need to deselect this edge over here using Alt, and I can also go to the top view, and I will use Alt for all of them, like this, all together. So now only the surrounding border are being selected. Now I will chamfer as well. I can use here the same amount, but you need to notice something, that there is a few overlapped vertex you need to fix. So here I will click OK, and now I will go to vertex mode to clean these vertex. Collapse, and select all these edges, collapse. Okay, and this is F3, so you can see the result. I'll do the same for the rest. I will select this vertex, collapse, this vertex, collapse. It is a small object, so it won't take much time. Also here collapse, and here collapse, here collapse, and here collapse. This is the last one, collapse, collapse. Now I will go to the front view. Okay, and I need to check what's going on here. So here I will weld first this one. Okay, so this is the only problem that this vertex has. So this is the final result. So now I will just need to make a thickness for this side. So I will select here the borders for all of them, and I need to use shift and drag this border backward. Now I need to close this gap, but here the vertex are not having the same level. So I will go first to vertex mode using control. So I will now deselect this vertex over here, and I have only this curved vertex. So I will go to edit, geometry, make a planar, NZ. Now I need to go to the left view and move these vertex backward and align them with the one on the top. Now I will select all the vertex like this, and I will make it closer to the back side of the object, and here go to edit borders, cap. Now I have all these polygons have a back side. Now I will unhide all like this. So this is my cabinet from the top part, and I can also give the back panel a different color. I will give it a different color so you can see it better, like this. So now I will start with the metal base. Here I will go to the top view and draw a rectangle. I want this rectangle to be 11 by 11. I'll show you an image for the base. Usually it has this metal plate. Now I will add here, edit SP line, and I will delete these two segments. And now I will make this line. I'll go to rectangle, and then I'll make it enable in renderer, enable in viewport. I will choose the type rectangular, and I will make the length 0.2, and the width I want it to be 3. Now I will make another copy of the same object, and then I will change the type. I will make this type this time. I want to make it radial, and I want to make the thickness 1. Here I need as well to adjust the size, so I will move it downward. I want it to be 7 by 7, so I will make this one -4, and also here 4. Now I will change the color, and I will move it all the way here. Now I will go to the front side. Here I need to move this center point downward. So I will select this vertex over here, and I will move it -20, like this. And then I will select all these vertex, and I will convert to corner. Then I will fillet this last vertex. I will give it an amount of 3. So now I have 2 things I need to fix in this piping. First, here I can improve the smoothness of the arc over here. I will go to rectangle, and then I will choose the interpolation adaptive. Okay, it looks now smoother. Now I need to make this vertex or this surface aligned all together. So I will add here edit poly, and I will put it here on the top, and I will select this vertex over here, go to Edit Geometry, and then make Planar in Z. So you can see they became a flat surface altogether. Now I will put it back, go to the top view, and I will put here. Now I need to draw this small base cap, so I will draw a circle over here, and I will disable the renderer, and I will make here the radius 1.3. Now I will give it an extrude, and I will make this amount 0.5. Now I will add edit poly, and I need to bevel this polygon. I will give the height to be 0.5 as well, and then the outline minus 0.5. Okay. Now I will move this one downward. Okay, I will check as well the top view. Now I need to select all of them, and I want unhide all, move it here under the cabinet. And I'll go to the front view to adjust the location as well. Now I want to add here, make more copies. So I will add here symmetry in the x-axis, and I need to move the mirror line to the middle of the cabinet. Now I need as well to go to the top view. I want to make more copy over here, so I will use the y-axis, and I will move as well the mirror line to the middle. Now you can see that they disappeared because I need this time to use flip. So this is my sideboard cabinet.